wasabi. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your own salted caramel Kori Kohi coffee. So if you're interested to know what's a Kori Kohi coffee, then stay tuned. Alright, so what's a Kori Kohi coffee? Basically, a Kori Kohi coffee is your coffee in an ice cube form. So this is your Kori Kohi coffee, and we'll make it extra special by adding salted caramel and frothy milk and maybe some syrup. Okay, so let's start. First, I made this by extracting this batch of cold brew coffee from Community Coffee's Ethiopian Guji beans. So this is medium roasted, perfect for your cold brew. And I steep this for about 14 hours. If you want to see how I made this, I'll link it up here through the cards, and I'll link it down below. So this is my cold brew coffee. I just popped it in the fridge and turned them into ice. So it goes like this. Now before everything is melted, let me just start frothing some milk. So I'm going to be using my French press to aerate the milk. This is a 350 ml press. You can just fill it halfway or 1/3 of the bottle. Make sure to use full cream milk. So you just press it. You see, the milk is expanding. So once it reaches like the top, alright, so it's expanded a little. You can pour some of the milk down there. Aerate it some more to create more froth. Okay. And while it's there, I'll put in 1 tablespoon of salted caramel syrup. This is from Shots, and I will link this down below. Just drizzle it all over there. Alright, and then you can use it to give it a little stir. Okay, looks beautiful. Now once that is airy, try to get some of the foam just to add another color or layer on top. Okay. Let's put it back. And then we can top everything off with this caramel syrup. Alright. Then there you go. See? Alright, so here's your salted caramel Kori Kohi coffee. Look at that beautiful caramel ingredient on your cup. There you go. It's super easy to make. Oh, that's so good. The froth is really rich and thick and frothy. It's like melted marshmallow, and you can really taste the salted caramel in it because of the syrup and the caramel topping. So good. Anyway guys, let me know if you've tried this recipe. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any other coffee requests, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
Mm-hmm.